Doraemon! Doraemon! Doraemon? Doraemon? Asan ka, Doraemon?
Ha? Bakit, Nobita? Ano, Nobita?
Doraemon! Itlog na naman ako sa ICT ko! Exam pa naman yun!
Oh no!
Ha? Sabi ko naman kasi sa'yo, Nobita, mag-aral ka! Mag-aral ka, Nobita, mag-aral ka!
Oh shit! Here we go again.
Tungkol saan ba yung lesson nyo, Nobita?
Ano nga yun? ICT at multimedia?
Alam ko na! Gusto mo pag-aralan natin lahat ng dapat malaman sa ICT!
Tara!
Tara! Handa ka na ba, Nobita?
Oo.
Saan kayo nanggaling? Bilang kasagutan, ipapahayag ko ang mga sumusunod. The ease of access to information. Dito sa future, knowledge is power. With the use of multimedia and ICT, information is now accessible to all. Technology now enables quick learning, better decision-making, and continuous knowledge acquisition, which we are all essential in an era with rapid innovation and change. It also promotes the change of education in the 21st century. Education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. ICT has also transformed education, making it more dynamic, interactive, and accessible. With this, learning is no longer confined to classrooms, but also available digitally, making it much easier.
The next benefit of multimedia and ICT is ICT strengthens innovation and research. ICT empowers researchers with access to vast databases and powerful computing tools, accelerating scientific discovery and innovation. Next one is ICT-enabled economic growth by broadening the reach of technology. With the multimedia ICT, economic growth is not just possible, it is guaranteed. More reach of technology implies more productivity and makes any work easier and faster. One of its benefits is it improved the modes of communication. ICT has significantly improved the modes of communication, making it quicker, simpler, and more convenient. Using email, instant messaging, video conferencing, and social media, individuals can now communicate with others regardless of their location. It indeed is more than effective. ICT can affect the delivery of education and enable wider access to the same. ICT has transformed how we access and provide education. This brings the gaps among geographical areas and socio-economic statuses. Also, it has enabled individuals to gain good quality education anywhere in the world, at any time, making it education more inclusive and equitable.